Another problem, integral 0 to 1 under root 1 minus x by 1 minus x by 1 plus x 1 plus x dx. Take rationalization 1 minus x by 1 plus x 1 minus x by 1 minus x dx. Apply a minus b whole square under root 1 minus x whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 2 square cancel, 0 to 1, 1 minus x by under root 1 minus x square dx. Split into two parts. Integral 0 to 1 1 by under root 1 minus x square minus x by under root 1 minus x square dx. 1 minus x square dx. This is direct formula, sin inverse x. See, derivative of the denominator 0 minus x square derivative 2x. Multiply and divide with 2. Integral 0 to 1 under root 1 minus x square plus 1 by 2 into minus 2x by 1 minus x square dx. This is a sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. This 1 by 2 is this one. F dash x by root f x. 2 root f x. 2 root f x. From 0 to 1. 2 to cancel. Sin inverse 1 value pi by 2 plus 1 minus 1 0. Put x value 0. Sin inverse 0 0 plus root 1 value 1. Root 1 value 1. So pi by 2 minus 1. Pi by 2 minus 1. Next. Integral next problem 0 to 1 e power x into x by x plus 1 whole square dx. X plus 1 whole square dx. Add plus 1 and minus 1. Add plus 1 and minus 1. 0 to 1. 0 to 1 e power x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Split into two parts. 0 to 1 e power x x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Whole square dx. X plus 1 square cancel. So integral e power x 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Observe this one. Integral e power x f of x plus f dash x dx. E power x into fx. E power x into fx. We apply that formula. E power x into 1 by 1 plus x from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. First apply upper limit. E power 1 by 1 plus 1 minus e power 0 by 1 plus 0 e by 2 minus 1 e by 2 minus 1 e by 2 minus 1. Next, integral 0 to pi by 2 secant x by secant x plus cosecant x dx equal to c integral 0 to a f of x by f of x plus f of a minus x dx equal to a by 2. This is the formula. F of x by f of x plus c. This is f of x. This is f of x. F of pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x. Secant 90 minus x equal cosecant x. So this is f of x. This is f of x. This is f dash x. Sorry, f of a minus x. So you write this formula. A by 2 pi by 2 by 2 pi by 4 pi by 4. Similar another problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus root tan x dx 1 by 1 plus root tan x dx. See, integral 0 to pi by 2. Tan x means sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x. Take LCM and reciprocal. Root cos x by root cos x root sin x dx. F of x, f of x, f of pi by 2 minus x. So we apply this formula. Pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4. pi by 4.